Once you've got the sponsor licence, you will be looking at, probably from the very beginning, you will have worked out what kind of visa you want for the individuals coming to your business. And for our purposes today, there are two types of visa under the Tier 2. There's the Tier 2 General and the Tier 2 ICT. So first of all, I'll just briefly cover the Tier 2 General. The key point to note about Tier 2 General is that it has a very high level skill set required. So it's degree level jobs. It's called RFQ level 6. And the minimum salary threshold for this is relatively high. So it's £30,000 unless you're a new entrant, or it's about the particular specification of the code. They're called SOC codes within that job. So the Home Office releases a list of jobs that they would allow sponsors to work in and the skill set required for them. And within those specifications, they set out a salary range. So the minimum salary is what's set out in that salary range. It's very crucial to get that right, because if that's not correct, then you won't be able to meet the points that are required in order to sponsor a migrant worker to come across the UK. A sponsored worker also has to have maintenance, so they have to have around £900 in their bank account for a period of 90 days before they come into the UK, and there are English language requirements here as well. This route can lead to settlement, and they can be in the UK for a maximum of 6 years following this route. For employers who have businesses overseas as well as in the UK, a possibly swifter and more efficient route is what's called an intra-company transfer route. And what this means is you effectively bring somebody from overseas to the UK. Now, there are certain requirements and obligations in order to do that. So for a Tier 2 long-term visa, somebody must have worked in the overseas business for a period of 12 months, unless they earn around £74,000, in which case they don't need to have worked for that period. And they must be earning around £41,500 in order to come into the UK and qualify for that visa. Short-term visas are also available, and that's for a period, you must have worked abroad in the company for a period of 3 months and have a salary of around £23,000. It's really important to note that this route doesn't lead to settlement, and you could be in the UK for a maximum of 9 years, but you must leave after. In both routes, when you apply, there is a 12-month cooling off period unless there's a high value salary or if it's less than 3 months in each circumstance.